All right, y'all, here we are. We got her all hung up, sanded down, wiped down, prep solved and all that. What we're gonna do first is we'll start with the fan on the spray gun to 0. It'll just be a dot. And we'll fill in everything with that's raw aluminum. We'll put prime just on the aluminum primer first, right? And then we'll let it set up. Then we'll come in and we'll do it again, just on the aluminum, the raw aluminum. At that point, it'll be just over the other primer. Just trying to build that surface up to meet this surface here. Even though you can't feel it with your hands, I mean, it's feathered out real nice. Still, once you get everything going, we'll open the fan up after we get at least 2 coats, maybe 3, on just this stuff that didn't stick. And then we'll come out about 4, 5, 6 inches and we'll prime probably, all the way around here. Not so much here, it ends right at the weld, but we'll come out here a bit, and then at that point, maybe we just prime the whole thing so it's all one base color to start with the blue pearl again, because what we don't want, we know we can't see real good in here once we start spraying that blue stuff, is for this stuff to be a lighter color blue than the rest of it. Being that this would already be a blue base and this would be gray. So we'll probably just to give it all a uniform overall base to start with, we'll probably just put 1 quick coat of gray primer on everything. We won't worry so much about this because that's going to get covered with a chip guard kind of thing anyway. No one's going to see it. So that's where we're at. We'll go ahead and get this done. We're going to run the heat for about an hour or so. I'm going to go in and have another coffee, take my shoes off, put them on the top of the heat register, and both my big toes are absolutely numb right now. I can't even feel them. So it's time to go in, let this place warm up a bit. We'll come out, mix up primer real quick, bing bang boom, we'll get this done. I'll bring you some of that coverage when we're done. It's a setback, folks, it's a setback, but we're not out of business. This is RPM, baby, this is how we roll. All right, love y'all. Hang in there, guys. We'll get her done.